Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to share files by using Quickshare. So come on, let's go. For that, first I have to turn on Quickshare on both the devices. Here you have to turn on this. After that, here you have to select everyone and click on settings. Now do it same for another device also. You have to click on turn on and click on everyone and click on settings. Now open the file that you want to share. Now I want to share this file, so click on share and select quick share, and it will scan for nearby devices. So your name will be appearing here. Click on that, and on the other device you have to accept it. The file is sent. Like this you have to share your files. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.